Hello everybody, welcome back. We are building a Geogebra file, and I have this completely built out, and I just want to show you the end product and what we're going to do. Right here we have a function, f of x, and it's just the function a times x plus b. So typical line, and I have slider bars for k, a, and b that can be adjusted to change these lines up. I'll go ahead and start a new document and show you how we build this. Okay, here's my new document and what you should start with. First thing I want to do is start making some slider bars, so I click on slider and I just click anywhere in the white space, and now I have a name of A, minimum -5, maximum +5, increment of 0.1. That's okay, I'll just apply. And I'll do that again for B, and I'm going to rename this one to be K. Okay, so I made those 3 slider bars. Now I'm going to make my first function, which is f of x. So I go to the input bar and I type f parentheses x close parentheses equals a. Now times, I use the asterisk, which is shift 8, or if you have a number pad, it's over there with the numbers. X plus b. Alright, and I put in this line right here. And as I go to the move tool, I can change my a value, change my b value, and that's what you do in your packet and describe what happens. Okay, to build another function, I can type in the input bar g of x equals f of x plus k. Right? So I wrote in the function g of x equals f, and in the parentheses, instead of just x, I'm going to put x plus k, and see what happens. So looks like I put another line in there. Now to make things a little clearer, I'm going to right click and change the object properties so that I know which color we're dealing with. Okay, so I'll just make that one orange. You can do whatever colors you like. And now I'm going to do some text, so I can keep it clear. So I go to this text button and click anywhere in the white space. And I like to make it a text formula. And then I want to type f of x. So this is just text that I'm making equals. And now I want to put the value of the current function in the algebra view. So the way I do that is I go click down this objects, and I go to f. So this is putting in the value of the function right there in the preview, and that's what it does in the edit. So it'll put a little box around it showing you that it's some value from the actual algebra view. Okay, and now you can see that there, and as I change the values, it will also change my function value down here, so I can kind of see what's happening with it in this picture. And if you want to make it bigger, you could do all those kind of things. You change it to 1. And click it. Yep, so it makes it a little bigger, so you can see it nice and pretty. Alright, now I want to also add another function, so I'll go to my text bar and type g of x, or maybe I could write f of x plus h, because that's what g of x is equal to, or x plus k. And here I would put all latex and g of x. So this is putting in the value of g, which is right up there, and I want to make it bigger and make it orange so I can match it up with the line. So let's make it orange, and let's change it to orange. Okay, so that's how you do those. So you're going to do the same thing for all the other lines that you'll have to do. So f of x, where they close the parentheses and then add k. And what happens when you multiply the thing by k, or what happens when you multiply just the inside part by k. So we have all these different things to experiment with. And the way you can turn anything off, so let's build one more function. So I can show you h of x is, we'll call it f of k times x. So in go with another function, and looks like it's right on top of the other one, so let me try and move it around. Looks like it has a different angle. So I'm going to change the color to red, and do some text. So this is k times x, matrix, turn, this equals h. I'm going to put equal sign in between. Alright, and choose the size and color, orange, and red. Alright, so if I want to turn anything off, so if I want to turn off G, I just throw this little button right next to the G, and now it goes away. So then I can just focus on working with H, and what happens when I change these different values. And those are the questions that you'll have to answer in your packet. And a couple more on your own, and then you'll upload that file to your teacher for them to check out as well.